In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Workspace support. If you're an administrator for your organization's Google Workspace, this walkthrough will show you the quickest way to reach support right from your dashboard. Before we start, make sure you're signed in with an account that has admin privileges. If you're unsure, try using a private or incognito window and log in with your admin email to avoid mixing accounts. You'll also want a stable internet connection and a brief description of your issue ready. Things like what's not working, any error messages, and how many users are affected. You never need to share passwords or any sensitive credentials. First, go to the Google Admin Console. Open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. Sign in with your Google Workspace admin account. When you land on the admin console home, you should see tiles for users, apps, billing, and security. If you can't access this page, your account may not have the right role assigned, so you'll need someone in your organization with higher privileges to adjust your access. Otherwise, you're in the right place. Next, look to the top of the admin console and click the help icon. It's the question mark in a circle near the upper right corner of the screen. On smaller screens, you might need to expand your window or close other panels to see it clearly. Clicking this opens the help panel on the right. Here, you'll find a search bar to look up official help articles, along with an option to contact support. In the search field, type a short description of your issue. Something like, users can't sign in, or billing invoice not loading. This helps surface relevant articles and troubleshooting steps. If one of those solves your problem, great. If not, look for the contact support option in the panel. Depending on your subscription and region, you may see choices like chat, email, or requesting a callback. Follow the on-screen prompts and be ready to provide details such as your domain name, the scope of the issue, and any recent changes you made. You might be asked to confirm your identity as an admin. This is normal and helps protect your organization. That's all there is to it. Open the admin console, then use the help icon at the top to access support. Keep the help panel open while you gather information, and consider bookmarking admin.google.com so you can get back here quickly the next time you need assistance. With these two simple actions, you can reach Google Workspace support efficiently and get your issue moving toward a resolution.